Hello, my name is Ian Lamont. I am the publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, including Microsoft Word in 30 Minutes and the Word 2019 cheat sheet. Today I'm going to be talking about how to create a bullet in a Word 2019 document for macOS or for Windows. And one thing you should know about Word 2019 is that the interface looks 99% the same if it's in Windows or in macOS. And this happens to be the macOS version, but what I'm about to show you works in Windows as well. So here's the story. I have a Word 2019 document. And actually, the document can be opened in other versions of Word as well. And these tips I'm going to show you, they work in earlier versions of Word that you may have, such as Word 2016 or Word 2013. But this interface that you're looking at right here that I'm showing you at the top of the screen, this is the new Word 2019 interface. And basically, most of it's the same as Word 2016, except that the icons look a lot different. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create some bulleted text. And I have this article that I wrote. And you can see it's, I have a paragraph, then I add a double space at another paragraph, double space, another paragraph. I want to change these 4 paragraphs into bulleted points. And it's pretty easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is just to select them all. You actually don't need to select the entire text. Like, I don't need to do this. I don't need to take the text from the very beginning to the very end. I can just, as long as I've highlighted parts or all of these paragraphs, I can turn them into bullets. So I do that, and then on the Home tab, there'll be some preset buttons you can press which create bullets. And one thing I can do is I can just press the button. See what happened? It just turned those 4 paragraphs into bullets. Okay? There's other things you can do too. So let's go back to what we just had. So I'm going to select these 4. You'll see there's a little drop-down menu. Click on that, and there's a bullet library. So that means you can use different types of bullets, like a circle bullet or a square bullet. So let's use an empty circle bullet. See that? Okay. And then if I wanted to indent one of the bullets, just put your cursor at the beginning of the bullet you want to indent, and then go to the indent buttons. There's 2 of them, indent, decrease and increase. Let's increase it. And there we go. I've just indented that. For more tips on how to get the most out of Word 2019 in Windows or Mac, check out our book, Microsoft Word in 30 Minutes, available from in30minutes.com, as well as our brand new Word 2019 cheat sheet, also available from in30minutes.com. Thank you so much for watching.